Have you ever felt annoyed when you need to find a cable out of your bag to charge your phone? And when you get it, they're all tangled together. It's just a waste of time. We're here to solve this problem. Our NIFTYX wearable cable can actually be worn on your wrist, and it's easy to be taken off to charge your device. Also, our NIFTYX life-saving bracelet is integrated with a power bank that can charge your devices directly to provide emergency use when you're in need. Our cable bracelets are all hand-braided in genuine leather with the finest craftsmanship. They're available for Apple and Android devices with different sizes. People wouldn't even know you're actually wearing a charging cable. Our NIFTYX bracelets are not only a charging cable, but also can be worn as an accessory to match your style. Well, you can always be a lifesaver to your buddies when their phones run out of juice. Just plug and go. Currently, we offer two models of NIFTYX products. We have NIFTYX Awesome Bracelet that can work as a charging cable while looking great on your wrist. And our NIFTYX Life-Saving Bracelet can not only be used as a charging cable, but also it provides an emergency power bank for you to charge your devices when you're in need. Please support us now and get yourself a NIFTYX bracelet.